Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about the XMONDO Supernova Blonde Toning Leave-In Foam. Excuse the voiceover, my audio quality on these clips turned out awful and I could not let that slide. What you are seeing here is me sitting in my car in the natural light, showing how brassy orange yellow my hair turned out. This was post bleach out. I had recently, for context, bleached my roots a couple days before this, and my most recent toner had faded out. So basically you're seeing me talking about not wanting to follow up the bleach process with the tone process right away, just to give my hair a couple of days of a break, because you can really see that besides how messy my braids are, my hair is just not in its best condition right now, obviously. So it gives you a great canvas for this product here. I really love this product. It smells great, which as somebody who is very sensitive to a lot of different scents, that's important to me. It applies easily if you follow the instructions, which we'll circle back to, but it has a really great consistency. It reminds me of a mousse and it works. It does what it says it's going to do. It tones your hair nicely, keeps you from looking brassy, and washes out easily. So all the claims that are made by Mondo about his product, they do check out. And I am saying this as somebody who bought this with my own money. I am not an influencer. I am just a person who really likes to try different products for my hair. Now, as far as the instructions go, you are supposed to apply this product to damp hair to, I assume, make it spread nicely. And I wish I could say I intended this as an experiment, but no. I intended to spray my hair down first and I forgot to do so. So by the time I realized, I just committed to the bit and kept on applying. I did not catch the entirety of the application process on camera. What I ended up doing after I finished filming, oh my gosh, look how concentrated it ended up at the roots, was I went back in, I used a spray bottle of water to spray the product I applied on camera, and I brushed it through with a wet brush. And of course I did apply more to the back of my head to fill in the gaps because I did miss that area when I was applying it originally. I didn't do a perfect job, but it looked better than it did here, and here are the results. I should have filmed this in landscape, but I filmed it in portrait. Anyway, you can see that the purple really clung to the parts of my hair where I could not fully distribute it out, which makes sense. It partially did cling there also because of the hair being lighter in some spots, but the main reason I think was because of the distribution. And the reason I know this is because here in a moment I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's applied properly, because after this I did wash it out and applied the product correctly to damp hair the way I usually do, which always gets me good results. The instructions are there for a reason. That said, the purple kind of looked good on me, so I rocked it for a day or so, but here in a second you will see it applied properly. It will look a lot better, and here it is. Looks a lot better, right? Clearly I'm feeling myself. This reminds me a lot of how my hair takes the Wella T18 toner, which tracks because both are violet based. Bottom line, I really love this product. I use it often. A little goes a long way, and it's great for bridging the gap if you're trying to give your hair a break between bleaching and toning. It can extend the life of your tone out by a few days. Just remember it washes out, which to me is a benefit. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, as I will be posting more.